All right, welcome in everybody. In this video, I'm going to create the rod slide. So to do that, it says dimensions are in inches. So I'm gonna go up to new, I'm gonna go to English, standard. I'm gonna create, I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this XY plane. And then from here, I'm going to, let's see how can I do this best. I'm gonna create a rectangle. Let me actually create two rectangles, maybe. So one goes from here, this bottom portion. That could be 3. This could be 3 here. And then this is going to be 0.375. 0.375. Actually, I don't need to draw two rectangles. Now I can just draw a line. Go from here, kind of. No, it is from the end of here. It's from the end up. It's over a little bit. It's over this way a little bit. It's down. Kind of make sure it's in line with that. We're going to get the dashed line there. Draw it straight down here. I'm going to dimension this top to the bottom. I know that's 2.5. I know from here to here is 1. It's hard to read that in the book, but that's 1. From here, this corner to this edge, that's 1. I almost got that right. That was pretty close. That's 1. From this line to here, this angle is 45. 45 degree angle there. Let me move this a little bit. And then same thing over here. So from this top flat piece to this angled line, that's 45 as well. There we go. So we're fully constrained. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude. So these are going to extrude at 2 different widths. So let me extrude the bottom part, this bottom square, and make sure you do it symmetrically. This third option, that has a width or a distance of 3. Hit the check. I don't think I'm going to be able to grab that. Let me try. Nope. Okay, so it actually went away. So to get that back, it's there. It's not visible. So under extrusion 1, I'm going to click this plus. I'm going to right-click my sketch, turn the visibility back on, and then I'm going to extrude this top piece symmetrically, and that is a distance of 2. Like so, and then I can turn this sketch visibility back off. So let me take a look at this side. Okay, yeah. So that's 3, that's 2. Yeah. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this angled surface here. I want to create a circle just kind of randomly somewhere on this face. I didn't really want to put it there. And then I can dimension to the center of the circle from the edge here. And that is that 1? Yeah, it looks like 1. I was going to say 7, but no, it can't be 7. That would be way off. Anyway, so there's 1, and then from here to the center on that side, that is also 1, like so. And then I need to dimension the diameter, which is 1.5. 1.5, like so. And let me double check my work here. Yeah, so, okay, we're good. So I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut that, and I believe it doesn't say otherwise. It goes all the way through. So I'm going to choose this through all option, even though it does some funkiness on the back. So I'm going to hit OK. You can see it does some weird kind of stuff here to the back. I don't make the rules. What is that? Anyway, there we go. All right, so let me, I'm going to go up to my view. I'm going to funky up my view style, add some shadows, reflection. You could do a perspective, but most of the engineering drawings are in orthographic. If we're doing architect, if this was a building, then you could do perspective. I'm going to go to photo booth. I'm going to change my coloring thingy. Should I do a different color this time? Sky dark blue. Sky blue medium. Let's do that. All right. Just to be different. All right. So then I'm going to go file. I'm going to save this as Rod Slide. And there we go. All right, so we got the rod slide completed, even though it does some really funky stuff in the back where that, that hole goes all the way through. But, like I said, I don't make the rules. I just try to follow them. All right, there we go. Hope you learned something. Make sure you like and subscribe, and then we're going to be on to the anchor base next. All right, peace.